Hello everyone, I am Dr. Dhagash Tagdiwala, consultant endodontist practicing in Mumbai. Recently, I have attended this finance workshop conducted by Dr. Bhakti Pahuja sir. I started following sir last year in March 2020 post the COVID lockdown through his YouTube channel, and I have learned a lot through it. Recently, I came across his brochure on the finance workshop and the balance sheet analysis, and I'm glad that I grabbed this opportunity to attend this workshop. There are two types of mentors. One who charge you, who even teach you, but aren't bothered whether you have learned it or not. Sir, on the other hand, has charged very minimal as compared to the knowledge that has been delivered to us, and also he makes sure that each and everything is understood by all the participants. He gives the homeworks and the exercises, which are after solving them, you will understand the subject even better. If somehow you are not able to attend this workshop, I would suggest at least subscribe to his YouTube channel, and you can learn a lot on the finance topic from his YouTube channel. In addition, he has many free WhatsApp groups where he updates regularly. You can learn a lot through these groups as well. Talking about the workshop again, the workshop was very well managed and very well planned and organized, and in such a way that there was gap between each and every lecture so that we can cope up if we have missed anything. There was enough time to solve all the exercises. Sir as a person is very kind and humble. He used to solve my doubts even when I had not attended his workshop. The personalized attention is given to each and everyone in the workshop, and the one-to-one portfolio analysis which was done at the end of the workshop is a cherry on the cake. I would conclude my feedback by saying sir has delivered more than what was promised to us. The course is for everyone, whether you are a fresher or whether you are 20 years into the practice. Even if you are very good in finance, you will definitely learn a lot from this workshop. And I would say I have already gained my cashback with this workshop, because the knowledge that I have gained will help me save a lot of money during this ITR filing in the financial year. I would highly recommend this workshop to all my colleagues, and I would like to thank sir once again from the bottom of my heart for conducting such a beautiful workshop. Thank you, sir.